Hello friends, welcome to Real GPL once again and thank you for being our valued customer. Guys, today we'll talk about GoStudy theme. So let me open that page for you first. So the very first thing that we have to do, like we have to download it, which you can do from either download section if you have bought this theme individually. Otherwise, if you have joined it through membership plans, you can directly download it from this section. Okay, so I'm going to click on download GoStudy theme. And let me save it inside let's say documents folder. Okay, and while it is getting downloaded, I would like to say you something that if you have not joined our membership plans, you must join it. Let's say you join a starter membership which will cost you $7 a month, but in that case you can download 10 items per day. So in a month you can download up to 300 items, and that is really a good deal for you. And if you want it for longer duration, like 6 months or 1 year or for lifetime, we have like Super Saver for 6 months, VIP membership for 1 year, and then lifetime plan for a lifetime. So it's a one-time payment only. Other than this, we're also offering lifetime deals where you can get original license, and that too in a very low cost. So we are offering a lot of good deals here, like Astra products, Generate Press, Breezy, Quiz Builder, Blocksy, Affiliate Booster, DV all products, Ocean WP all products, okay, and Themify all products. So you must check it out, okay. I have given the link of this in description. Now this is downloaded, so I am going to the respective folder. The very first thing that we have to do, like we have to unzip it. So I am going to unzip it to get the right file that needs to be installed. Okay, once unzipped, we got a folder. Inside that we have another folder. Inside that we have plugins, okay, then we have theme, okay, and then we have some documentation and all, plus we also have child theme. So what we have to do next, just go to your WordPress, okay, and then go to appearance, then go to themes, then click on add new, click on upload theme, click on choose file, and select the GoStudy parent theme first, which is inside this theme folder. Selecting this, click on open, click on install now. This will install the parent theme for you. Once the parent theme is installed, we will not activate it. We have to wait. We have to install the child theme and then we have to activate the child theme. So now the parent theme is almost installed. Yeah. So just click on themes again. Go to add new. Go to upload section. Click on choose file. Then go back and go to child theme, select the child theme, click on open, click on install now. Once installed, just click on activate to activate the GoStudy child theme. So now after activating, we got this page where we have to follow some certain steps. So just click on let's go. Okay, so what we are doing here, this will install the required plugins, then demo content. So just click on let's go. Then click on continue to install all the required plugins. This will install Contact Form 7 Elementor in Automarket, GoStudy Core plugin, LearnPress LMS, one-click demo importer, Rave Slider, Tutor LMS, and WooCommerce. So click on continue and wait until all the plugins are installed. Once installed, we'll go and import the demo as well. So almost all the plugins are installed now. The last one is getting installed, which is WooCommerce. Okay, done. So just click on continue once again. Then click on continue once again. Then click on continue once again. And now just click on import dummy data. Okay, so this will install the dummy data for us, but before that we have to choose which one we want to install. We have many dummy demos present here, so let me go with the default one, or I'm not choose default, I will choose this one, home default with LearnPress. Okay, there are two plugins which we have installed. One is Tutor LMS, one is LearnPress. Both are LMS plugins. So I would like to go with LearnPress here. So I will click on the LearnPress one, import demo. Then click on continue and import. and now it is importing content for us. So we have to wait until it happens. So it took me around 4 minutes approximately to import the demo. Okay, there are some warnings which can be ignored. So now I am clicking on visit website to see if everything was imported properly or not, and which I can see, like, it's awesome that we got each and everything as per our demo. Okay, so nothing is missing. So you got a good deal, man. You can also explore our other features on website, okay, along with our membership plans, lifetime deals. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. I will see you in the next one. Till then, enjoy your day. Bye bye.